Okay, today we're going to open up Thomas and Friends mini train blind bags. Cool, it's plastic J.
And he is number 19 in the 2017 Wave 1. Okay, let me see him. Oh, cool. Turn him sideways. Right on. Okay, put him over here and open up the next one.
Yeah, I like it.
Who is that? Fruit Shoes? Who?
Thomas.
Right. Thomas. Oh, he looks awesome. Number 1, Thomas. Yeah. Okay, and he is in bag 105.
I'm going to hug him.
Okay, you hug him.
I love you.
So cute.
Let's go over.
Who you got?
A Cheetah Hero!
Yay! Cheetah Heroes in number 110. 110. Look at that. Wow. He looks good. Number 4.
Cool.
In bag 113, we have who? Construction Millie. Right on. Number 4. Oh, Birdie the Bus. He's in bag 112. Let's see him. Oh, wow, cool. Let me see the other side, buddy. The other side. Yeah, I want to see his little door. Oh, cool. There we go. You got 5 cute little mini trains. Aw. Okay, now what do you got to open?
It's fashions, and you get Gordon, Chrissy, Thomas, James, Toby, and the top and hat.
Right on. Let's see who you're going to get. You can do it. There you go. You did it. Who is it? Who's it going to be? Rip that open.
It's Thomas.
Oh, you got Thomas.
I'm going to kiss him.
Aw. Do it again. I missed it. Let's see him. Aw, and cute. Turn it sideways and let's see his side. Aw, number 1, Thomas. Aw, there you go.
I'm going to play with them now. Connect them. Two thumbs up. Choo-choo. Hey, you don't want to waste? Sure.
So like and subscribe. And if you're the 100th subscriber, you get
Where's the golden?
right on.
Okay, let's say never give up, right? Oh, bye.